Hey guys, it's Chef Luci. Today I am going to be making Normal's cinnamon strips. I have never made these before, and yes, I am following a recipe. And make sure you watch this video because I have no idea what these are going to look like. So stay tuned. Here's what you'll need: a toaster, bread, can be any kind of bread, butter, sugar, cinnamon, a teaspoon, and a resealable plastic bag. Can be any kind. I use Ziploc. And let's get started. First toast your bread. I already did that. Now grab butter over here and put it on your bread. Then spread it all around. See, like this. Then make sure you get it on the other side, because the other side has butter too. Make sure it has butter on that side too. Next, and cut it into, you have to cut it into strips. I'm using a kid knife that came with my kid cooking set. And the recipe didn't say which way of strips, so I'm just assuming this way. Boy, this knife's harder to cut with than I thought. Ah! Going off course. It's hard. This is harder than I thought. And kids, don't try this at home, especially if you're younger, because I do not want anybody getting hurt, and your parents might be very mad at you. So make sure you have permission. So these instructions weren't very specific, so I am just doing what I think, because it wasn't very clear instructions for me, because I'm a second grader. And fail. It looks like a normal. And my mom's going to help me since I'm doing horrible. Oh, I didn't need my mom's help. And does it say toy to conform? I do not think you're supposed to leave the crust on. It never said take the crust off or leave it on. So I'm just going to take it off since I do not like crust. Unless it's on apple pie, of course. Okay. I'm just making 3 to see what they taste like because I do not want to waste it. Now it says, grab one of these, and it says, pour sugar and cinnamon into a plastic bag and seal tightly and shake to mix well. Okay, so first I'm doing the sugar, since if you are making, silly of me. I will lost a teeny bit there. If you lose a teeny bit, add a teensy bit more. Wow. And you want to make sure that you get that cinnamon. It smells good. Just a teensy bit more sugar. You never know when you might need to make it. Now, I recommend the Ziploc bags with these things on them. They just slide because they're better at sealing it. Then you shake it. And shake to mix well. Doesn't look mixed enough. Feel free to throw it. Like this. And if you excuse me quickly, I just need to do something quickly. Ah! Could use a little more screen. Ah! Now it looks good. You can't fast forward for this. Okay, now let's check that mixture. Just a bit more. Now, it says, drop 1 cinnamon strip of butter toast and shake until strip is coated. Sorry. So drop 1. I'm going to drop the least nicest one. Okay, it says shake well again. Until completely coated. Let's see, is it completely coated? Yep. Now, where do I put it? These are going to work out good. Put another one in, seal it up. And remember, kids, this can get messy. And make sure it's sealed. Now, just going to find it. Ooh, yummy. Now, I forgot. It's hard to find it now. Don't mind if a voice comes in. Quick. Well, don't do it quick because then you'll... Now it says, sprinkle a little sugar on it. It says that. And you're done. Thanks for watching.